Christina right here, Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. I am super excited that you have inquired about the Elantra GT. But before I tell you all about that, I want to let you know that we are taking all of the safety precautions here at the dealership by sanitizing the dealership daily and cleaning the touch points throughout the day to make sure it's safe not only for us, but for you as well. In addition, we are also bringing vehicles to you, the client. If you are interested in test driving a vehicle but still feel kind of shaky about coming out, we'll gladly bring a vehicle out to you, let you test drive it. And if you have a trade, we'll bring that in, get it appraised and sanitized and brought it back out to you. We can also do this entire deal remotely if that's what will make you feel comfortable. Now, to top all of that off, Hyundai has issued some stimulus package rewards for us. They're going to do 90 days to the very first payment, and if you were to lose your job due to coronavirus, they will do 6 months of no payment, just to make sure that you are safe and secure when you're purchasing a vehicle. So come on, let's check this vehicle out. It's going to have our beautiful honeycomb grille design in the front, our wraparound LED headlights with daytime running lights, premium alloyed wheels. Come on in, let's check the vehicle out. This one comes equipped with leather interior, a sunroof, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, backup cam, dual climate control, heated seats, power windows, power door locks, a ton of safety features like blind spot warning and cruise control, just to name a few items. This hatchback is going to catch all of your attention and is going to be backed by America's Best Warranty, which is a 5-year, 60,000 new car warranty and a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty that Tameron exclusively doubles to 20 years and 200,000 miles. Listen, you definitely won't beat that warranty anywhere. But guess what? Hyundai decided to top that off. They threw in 3 years and 36,000 miles of worry-free maintenance. So give us a call. You're absolutely going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai. So my name is Christina. It's 205-314-0301. Let me show you why you'll love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover.